I'd like to tell the younger generation that you guys can do anything that you put your mind to. Don't ever let anyone tell you you can't do what you want to do.
I will call me on his flip phone. Late night when he needs some shot. Call me on his flip phone. Late night when he needs some shot. I'm like, nigga, you next door. Oh, what you need to call me for? I say, I'm like, nigga, you next door. What you need to call me for? والبلاية كلها شاهد فيه.
Ani Makaewa Mary Ann, Inyar of Somali and Ogahai, not too much though, but I do know like Jaga, Tega, computer, Kega, hijab, Kega, right? Yeah.
Hey, listen. Dad madow saaxib ha ka dhiganaya. But like, you're madow, I'm madow, we're all
naahaade ma waalatay mase waa lagu soo socdaa maxaa caddaanka doontay habeen intuu kugu soo dheelmado ku jarjari doonaa jirkaagana la waan doonaa ogaaw oh my god habreer muslim waaye muslim kulligood diinta bay ku dhuntaan iska ilaali ninka
haya nig iskaga maaragtay
haya macaan anaa iska bixiyo halkaa ku tuuray daranaa macnaa aniga iskula gasha markaan weydiinaysa aniga iskaygii away ara meelaha ka soo raadso waxaan xulay
Ooh, hey, my hoyos making me go to this Dixie. Hey, I told her no and then she threw a Dixie. Hey, you know I tried to dodge it but it hit me. Hey, and then the next day I went to the Dixie. Hey, I tried to run my island, said he'd whoop me. Hey, I told my abdi, please you gotta help me. Hey, he told me no and then he tried to whoop me. Yeah.
This drill is that Haji and her crew.
They call me Haji. In these streets, I'm a certified G. Not as in gangster, but good, don't you see? Yup, that's me.
Don't clap your hands at me like that, period. Period.
naag shaqaalaha gabadheeda
ya
naag shaqaalaha
gabadheeda haye war soo wadaatay marka meedarkaa filayay hooshoosaya waa la saabay haye
aba naag shaqaalaha gabadheeda oo heelooda
ura arigaad war saawa suunka aawa la ilaha aawa
أنا
xariif baa tahay qofka xariifsan ma jiro adaa ugu fiican qof fiican baa tahay ogow
Oil said Sakajan Kale, senior for Hamasel, sneaking in the house at 4. That's it, you're getting sent back for the Ali's, where you gonna be living with your idols and upties. Oh, and I ain't ready for the Ali's. My dad is gonna sell all my shari. Hell no, and I ain't ready for the Ali's.
Cause you don't want me like you used to, baby.
Yo, yeah, what kind of drink you got? Yes, is thank you, no problem.
Mother, you know, head. The face is finished. The big is too much coming. And the face is finished. No school today. She's sleeping. She's sakarating. You know what I mean? Her face is finished.
How to pronounce famous people in Somali. Chris Baron, Janefa. Sharmutoyinka TV-ga laga soo daayay. Dhagax.